Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video where you'll find African braids hairstyles with latest designs and styles for ladies. You'll find 2024 braids cornrow hairstyles with unique designs and styles. Of course, it's all about you picking a style and going for something you love. And of course, you'll find styles that you probably have seen before. Just a reminder that these styles are still on the trend and you can absolutely go for it. These are typical African braided hairstyle looks. Of course, the cornrows gives it an additional advantage where it is long lasting and of course beautiful. You can wear this look for any occasion or outing of your choosing. It all depends on your preference and what you're comfortable with. We of course want you to always get a standout hairstyle looks. Anytime you come on board watching our video, you're sure to find something very unique and lovely. You can't go wrong with any of the styles that you will be choosing or picking from within this video. We have similar videos like this already up and running. You just need to take your time, sit back right after watching this through the end, and of course watch those as well. Very lovely hairstyles to round up this year. Talk about the compilation hairstyle video for you to of course give you that reminder and also show you something new within what we are showing to you right now. In as much as you're watching a long form video, we do have short form videos as well. You can also check that out in case you want to try checking something at a glance. You are sure to find beautiful and relevant braids hairstyle looks that should help you as well. Thank you so very much for watching. We hope you get helped by these wonderful ideas compiled into one video for you. It's a wonderful time to pick a wonderful cornrow braided hairstyle ideas for that African look. We of course want you to get that standout look, whether you're an African American lady or you are from within the African continent or even a lady with a black descent. You are definitely welcome to watching this video and also picking a style from this wonderful video that we have taken our time to compile. Thank you so very much for watching. We hope you get help. Again, you take care and bye.
Bye.